हेलो दोस्तों, सोना ट्यूटोरियल में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप अभी तक सोना ट्यूटोरियल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, कृपया सब्सक्राइब कर देना ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट वीडियो पहुंच सके। टुडे आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू राइट द लेटर्स फ्रॉम एल स्ट्रोक। एल स्ट्रोक से हम कैसे लेटर्स बना सकते हैं वो आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी। दिस इज एल स्ट्रोक्स like L. Then we can write B from L stroke like this. Again we write B like this. We again write B from L stroke. Then we can write F from L stroke. Touch the lower line, then we touch the second line and we can write the letter F like this. Again we write the letter F like this. Okay, then we can write H from L stroke. Start from here, then we touch the second line and again the third line. We can write like this. Again we'll write the letter H from L stroke. We can write K from the stroke L. Start from here like this and again touch the second line and then touch the third line. We write again K like this from the stroke L. We can write L from L stroke. It is easy for all. Like this and this. Then we can write T from L stroke. First we will write L, then we cut that L and it makes T like this. First we can make L, then cut it. Again cut it and we can write T from the stroke L. Then we can write D from L stroke as well as C stroke like this. L stroke, first C stroke, then L stroke, first C stroke, then L stroke. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो कृपया लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करना। थैंक यू।